Hey guys, so I'm starting off with some Rimmel eyeshadow primer and I'm just priming my eyebrows, getting them ready for color because my eyebrows are really light. And then I'm taking my LA Colors liquid eyeliner in brown and I'm just filling out the shape or the outline of my brows. And I am doing a slit brow eyebrow cut look for my eyebrows today. It's inspired by Daddoa, the YouTuber, or Taemin's move. And so I'm just kind of using light strokes with a little liner. And now I'm using my Colormates Eyebrow Duo. And I'm just going to be filling in my brows like normal. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I was kind of dressing alternative today, kind of grungy, and so I really just wanted to emulate that through a slit eyebrow. And now I'm just finishing up the shape of my brow and finishing the tail end for my slit. And then I'm just going to be adding some concealer to that so I can create my little open area for my eyebrow. And I'm kind of dragging it under my eyebrows as well, just to clean up the edges. And now I'm pretty much done. I'm actually going to be moving on to my eye makeup now. So I'm using this NYX Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm just priming my eyes for my eyeshadow. And now I'm going to be taking the ColourPop Yes Please, and I'm taking this bright yellow, and I'm using that as my first color on my lid. And I'm just sweeping that all across my lower lids with my finger. And then I'm using a brush, and I did get a lot of fallout as you can see there, but I'm just using my brush and just blending out any harsh lines. And now I'm just taking this BH Cosmetics palette and I'm using this yellow and I'm going to make it a little bit more vibrant. I'm just kind of packing that color on with the opposite side of this brush. And then I'm going to be taking this green color from the same palette and I'm going to begin to put that on my crease area and just kind of blend it up just a little bit. I am going to blend it out later. And now I am just blending out the color towards my eyebrow, making sure the color kind of blends in well. And then I'm just taking this big brush just to get rid of any fallout that might have occurred. And then I'm going in with a black, and I'm just working in small steps because I don't want to put too much black on at once. And I'm just kind of putting that right in my crease and then kind of slowly blending it in to my green. Like I said, I'm just slowly building up the color because I don't want it to be too harsh too quickly. And I am kind of putting it on my lower lash line as well, and then I'm making it longer, as you can see, just to really widen my eye shape. And now I'm just taking that fluffy brush again and just blending out the two colors, really making sure it's pretty seamless and there are no harsh lines. And now I'm just wiping off any excess fallout with a cotton pad, and I'm just going to be lining my eyes now with the Wet n Wild eyeliner. And I really suck at eyeliner, so feel free to drag me in the comments if you want. I'm just doing like a wing or whatever this is called. And now I'm taking this color from my Aphrodite palette And I'm just kind of putting it on my upper brow bone, really just to make the look a little bit more warmer, because it is showing up kind of cool on camera. And I'm just using this white eyeshadow base, and I'm taking the same yellow from the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm just putting that in my inner tear duct just to kind of make the color seamless. I'm taking this little champagne gold color and I'm sweeping it under my eyes, like under my egg yolk style color. And then I'm just taking that green again with a little bit of black and just putting it on my lower lash line and also in my upper crease to really make my eyes look even. And now I'm just taking this mascara from BH Cosmetics and I'm just putting it on my eyelashes. And that's pretty much it for my eyes. Now I'm just going to be priming my face with the NYX primer, and then I'm using my NYX Pore Control cream just to go over my pores, like my nose and my cheeks. And then I'm using this weird Forever 21 brush. It's my first time using a brush like this. And I'm using this random foundation that I got from Chicago, and I am just putting it all over my face. And this foundation was hella red. It is more of my summer shade. So I am going to be using concealer in a bit because it was really red in person. Like, whoa. So I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer. And it's really light, but it helps cancel out some of the redness on my face from the foundation. And now I'm just taking my beauty blender and I'm just going to be blending out the concealer. And now I'm just contouring with my NYX eyeshadow powder. That's what I use to contour my face with because it is a darker shade. And then I'm just baking with the LA Colors powder just to make sure there aren't any creases. And then I'm using my Ultra Concealer on my brows. I'm just kind of filling in, making the color in the gap a little bit more natural. And then I'm just blending out with this small e.l.f. brush. And I am going in with some black eyeshadow just to make my eyebrow cut look a little bit more even. And finally, I'm just using my Hard Candy lipstick and just giving myself a slightly grungy looking lip. And I'm done with my makeup. I suck at makeup, so don't hate on me too much. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay colorful.